Hey skaters, I'm Dirty Deborah Harry with the Dirty School of Skate and Sugar Roller Skates. I'm here at the Fountain Valley Skating Center today to talk to you about how it's not you, it's your roller skates. Today's video is brought to you by Pigeon Roller Skates. Pigeon Roller Skates is here in Long Beach, California. They have a brick and mortar store. They have a little roller rink. It's a pop-up roller rink. And they're also online at pigeonskates.com. Go there. You can use my promo code. It's DIRTY with a big old $sign, and it'll save you some bucks on your purchase of skates, plates, wheels, bearings, apparel, everything you could possibly need for roller skating. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's just take a look at my shirt. Shout out to all the skaters of Cleveland, Ohio, who used to skate at the now defunct Skateland. Let's see, it was off of Euclid and East 90th Street. You guys, this incredible company called Moonshot sent me a whole bunch of t-shirts, and these t-shirts all have logos of roller rinks of yesteryear, roller rinks that are sadly closed now, but we can help carry on the tradition of amazing artwork for roller rinks by getting their shirts. I'm gonna link them below, but it's Moonshot, but the O's are zeros, so it's M00NSHOT, Moonshot. Incredible people send me a whole bunch of shirts, which y'all be seeing in all my videos. Okay, so now you may be wondering, what darkened room are you in, Dirty? I'm in the office because I came here to shoot today, and apparently, I didn't know, we had a session booked. So there's a whole bunch of people on the rink skating, having a good time. So we're here in the office, but luckily, the topic that I had in mind for today is certainly suited for this atmosphere. So here we go. When I'm here at the rink, so many people will come to me and they will be struggling with some aspect of their skating, and I oftentimes will tell them, honey, it's not you, it's your skates. So there are 3 distinct ways in which your skating is being hindered, your progress is being stalled, your confidence is being lowered by your actual roller skates. Okay, so let's talk about it. First, most often, I can tell when you cannot turn, you cannot spin, you are struggling skating backwards. More often than not, your skates have not been adjusted. You got them online, maybe you purchased them from a shop, and they have not been adjusted. You would not believe it. As soon as I can adjust her skates just a little bit, the skater will then go on the floor, and it's like a whole new world. It's insane. They're like, oh my God, this changes everything. And I'm like, I know. They have to be adjusted. You guys, I am going to link in the video description box below the exact video where I go into extreme detail on how to adjust your roller skates. You really only need a socket wrench. You can do this, but you have to know how, and you have to kind of know what it is you want. Do your skates currently feel too loose, too tight, etc., etc.? But I go into detail in the video. So click on that link below to understand how to adjust your roller skates. The second problem people run into is they're not wearing the correct wheel. The compound of the wheel is not in agreement with the surface of the floor. They're wearing outdoor wheels indoors, they're wearing indoor wheels outdoors, or a wheel that's just so cheap that it just doesn't run well. I have a video all about wheels, all the different kinds, and the kinds you need and the kinds you don't need. I'm gonna link it below so you can watch it in detail, but just the short version is, a lot of times people come here to the rink with outdoor wheels on, and they can't understand, why am I slow, sluggish, hard to turn? Sometimes people are wearing indoor wheels, but the indoor wheels are very wide, and they have problems spinning or turning, okay? All you have to do is get the right wheel, and it's really not that hard. Again, watch the video linked below. The third one, this is super, super important. You are wearing a pair of skates that you are simply too good for. You are out skating your roller skates. The the components of your skate, the boot of your skate, everything about your skate is of a lower quality and you're actually too good for your skate. Or you are wearing a skate that is extremely specific for one aspect of skating and you're doing a different type of skating, okay? Let's talk about the first one. Skates are on a spectrum. You have skates that are very close to the toy section and then skates that are high performance skates. If you buy something and you buy something that's kind of inexpensive and you're thinking like, oh, I'm getting a real good deal. These things are only 75 bucks or they're 100 bucks. Please understand that these skates are going to be very close to the toy section of skates. This means that someone has put this skate together with the idea that the wearer will only be wearing them a couple of times a year, maybe for a Halloween, maybe you're doing a little costume deal, okay? But if you want to be a good skater, you got to spend a little bit more money. But listen, I understand if you only have a little bit of money and this is all you've got and you're going to buy these skates and you're going to skate the hell out of them, works for me. But just please understand that if you're struggling, it's not you, it's the skates. It really is the skates. Now, I understand with this mindset, this is real easy for guys. I'm telling you, I've seen it 100 times. A man will struggle with skates and he'll tell me, it's my skates. Women don't do that. When they struggle with their skating, they internalize it, think it's them, their inability to skate. It really can be just your skates, that your skate is really not qualified to do what you're wanting it to really do. You guys, when you get a very inexpensive skate, they have almost no ability to be adjusted properly. The cushions can't be changed out to cushions that more are suited for your ability, what you want to do, and your body weight, okay? The toe stops can't be changed out. So there's a lot of different things like that that you really have to be on the lookout for. Did you see someone try to come in this office? The other aspect of this is you you come to the rink or you're outside and you see someone with an incredible pair of skates on and they're highly modified and they've got wheels on that are like really tiny, or they've just got a setup with a super short plate, or they've got something really highly modified. And you think, oh yeah, I want that because aesthetically it looks good and those people look good skating in them, right? These skates may be very difficult for you to hone your skills on. They're really only meant for, I've already learned how to skate, I've gotten really good, I really want to go down this direction with my skating, so I need this type of skate to do that. So, realistically, if you want to develop your skills and develop confidence on the way, you need a really good skate, but don't use something that's highly modified at the beginning. Okay, I have a video that goes into extreme detail on this subject, and I'm going to link that below. So I want you to watch it, really, and let me know. Okay, so again, it's not you, it's probably your skates. If your skates are not adjusted properly, if you're wearing a wheel that's not compatible for the surface that you are skating on, and if you are wearing a skate that is under your performance, or a skate that's highly modified for a specific kind of skating and you're doing something else, or you're just learning. Skaters, the only reason I make this video is I don't want you to quit when skating gets difficult, and I certainly don't want you to think it's you, I can't do this, because I've seen plenty of people progress in skating when at the beginning they struggled really hard. The other thing is just, you may not have the money or the risk tolerance to invest a whole bunch of money on a pair of skates, and I understand that. No problem, because you're like, hey, look, I don't have a spare $700 laying around to go and buy really fancy skates. And the thing is also, if you buy a really expensive pair of skates, oftentimes they're very difficult to break in, and you may not be at the level of your skating that's needed in order to actually break them in properly. I just want you to know that when you're buying skates, if they're really, really, really inexpensive, they're gonna be really super cute, and they're gonna grab you with that kind of marketing, and it's okay if that's all the money you got and you want that, you really want it, fine, go get it. Go get it. I don't have any problem with it. There's no judgment here. But when you're skating and you have challenges with doing different skills, I want you to know that it could be that your skates are not equipped to do it correctly. Also, I don't want you spending money upgrading a pair of skates that really can't be upgraded. Your money would be better spent on getting a different kind of skate. You guys, there's so much information online, and there's so many good skate shops that are open now, and these people that work will help guide you in the right way to find the right suited skate for you. I just hope this video helps you to understand right off the bat. Adjustment, get the right wheel, make sure your skate is on the proper spectrum, you know, not the toy section. Maybe it's not high performance, maybe you're hitting it somewhere down the middle so that it performs properly for you. All right, skaters, that's what I've got for you today, and I hope this has been super helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. I would really, really, really appreciate it. And if you want to get your Moonshot shirt from the roller rinks of olden times, what of past, you can go get them and look cute like me. All right, skaters, I gotta go. I'm gonna put on my skates and skate session. So you go watch those other videos in the description box and go practice. Bye.